To my family, Blythe, oh my God, I'm really, really so sorry. But I wanted to have this private moment with this love. Kaya, pinainil ko na yung gender. Next week na gender reveal ko, but I've been thinking about it kasi. And I just want to say, kung girl ka man or boy, I will be the happiest as long as you're safe and healthy. I'm sorry, cause I just want to say sorry to myself, cause this isn't how I imagined doing this. I'm just so proud of myself. Because kaya ko, kinakaya ko, and I know that you're gonna be my biggest and greatest blessing I could ask for in life. And I promise you, and to everyone gets to watch this in the future, that I'll really be the best mom. I mean, it's true, I'm not 30, but I don't think anyone or anything prepares you for motherhood. I got my NIPT results. Kasi NIPT, parang it shows you kasi like normal, walang Down syndrome, gano'n, and very grateful kasi wala talaga. Here na. I'm so grateful kasi it's pura low risk. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm really so happy. I really did not expect this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy talaga.
Totoo ba?
Alam
ni Mami Onyx?
Oo, siya nga yung dahilan kung bakit ko nalaman eh. Nagkikwento siya, sabi niya, basta Bea, gawin mo na lahat, huwag ka lang magpabuntis. Tapos sabi ko, Mami, I'm 5 days delayed. Pero like, sinabi ko yun nang wala lang. Kasi sanay naman ako na ma-delay. Sabi niya, hala, mag-PT ka na.
Ako ko na yun sa ako mo dito.
Kinakabahan ka, hindi?
Ilawan mo nga. Ay, kinakabahan ako eh.
Meron eh, no?
Oo eh.
Meron.
Wait lang. Tubig ka nga ulit. Try mo natin isa pa ha. Kasi kita mo, hindi siya clear talaga totally. Kita
Light.
mo. Light siya may isa.
Pero,
Bigyan mo to.
yan na! Kita-kita ko ni.
Bakit ka nandito?
Maaga pa.
Maaga pa pero 5 days ko kasi nalaman siya ni.
Yan o, yan na! Kita-kita mo na o.
Ano?
So, after mga ilang days yan, after 2 days, 3 days, mag-check ulit, magda-darken na yan. Kasi ito, pag-aralan na rin ni Mikey, kinukuha niya yung ano kaagad eh. Yung...
Ay, nakikita mo.
Ito na, yan. Yan ka na, may pregnant.
Hindi, oo.
Huwag ka na uminom.
Meron talaga, may line talaga ako. Mas malinaw na.
Siguro 2 days, 3 days pa lang.
Pag ano, mas lalo pa yan on the dark.
Congrats!